नमस्कार। यह अध्याय एवलिन ग्लेनी की प्रेरणादायक कहानी है, जिन्होंने सुनने की शक्ति खोने के बाद भी संगीत की दुनिया में सफलता हासिल की। यह हमें मेहनत और दृढ़ निश्चय की ताकत सिखाता है। द साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, एवलिन ग्लेनी। This chapter tells that inspiring story of Evelyn Glennie, a musician who became successful even after losing her hearing. It shows how determination and hard work can overcome difficulties. Text: God may have taken her hearing, but He has given her back something extraordinary. सुनने की शक्ति खो दी है, लेकिन उसे संगीत की को गहराई से महसूस करने की अनोखी क्षमता मिली. Even though she lost her hearing, she gained a special ability to feel music deeply. भगवान ने उसे सुनने की शक्ति तो छीन ली, लेकिन कुछ स्पेशल शक्ति दी है. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. वह संगीत को सुनने के बजाय महसूस करती थी, इसीलिए उसकी प्रस्तुति बहुत भावनात्मक और सुंदर होती थी. She experienced music through feelings and vibration, which makes her performance very emotional. Read the following account of a person who fought against a physical disability made her life a successful story. कहानी एक ऐसे व्यक्ति की जिसने शारीरिक कठिनाई के बावजूद सफलता प्राप्त की. Story is about a person who faced disability but still achieved great success. Rush hour crowds jostle for a position on the underground train platform. The platform was crowded and people were pushing to find space. ट्रेन प्लेटफॉर्म पर भीड़ थी, लोग जगह बनाने के लिए धक्का मुक्की कर रहे थे. Slight girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous. A thin young girl looked younger than her age and felt nervous. एक पतली सी लड़की अपनी उम्र से छोटी लग रही थी और घबराई हुई थी. Yet excited as she felt the vibration of approaching train. वह उत्साहित थी क्योंकि वह ट्रेन की कंपन महसूस कर पा रही थी. She was excited because she could feel the train coming through vibration. It was her first day at prestigious Royal Academy of Music in London, daunting enough for a teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. लंदन की प्रसिद्ध म्यूजिक अकादमी में उसका पहला दिन था, जो फॉर्म से आई लड़की के लिए डराने वाला अनुभव था. It was her first day at famous music academy, which felt scary for a girl coming from a farm background. This aspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deaf. उसकी सबसे बड़ी चुनौती यह थी कि वह पूरी तरह बहरी थी. Her biggest challenge was that she could not hear at all. यानी उसकी सबसे बड़ी समस्या थी कि वह सुन नहीं पाती थी. Evelyn Glennie loss of hearing had been gradual. She slowly lost her hearing over time. उसकी सुनने की शक्ति धीरे-धीरे कम हो गई. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8-year-old girl Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. Her mother realized something was wrong when Evelyn did not respond normally while waiting to play piano. उसकी माँ को तब शक हुआ जब 8 साल की एवलिन पियानो बजाने का इंतजार कर रही थी और प्रक्रिया नहीं दी. They called her name and she didn't move. People called her but she didn't hear them. लोगों ने उसका नाम पुकारा लेकिन उसने कोई कभी प्रतिक्रिया नहीं दी. I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Glennie. उसकी माँ को समझ में आया कि वह सुन नहीं पा रही थी. Her mother realized at that moment that Evelyn could not hear properly. For a quite for quite a while, Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness from friends and teachers. She hid her hearing problem from others for some time. कुछ समय तक उसने अपनी बढ़ती बहरेपन की समस्या को छिपा लिया। By the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated, and her headmistress urged her parents to take her to a specialist. Her marks had deteriorated, यानी उसके अंक कम हो गए, means her studies became weak, and so school suggested medical's help. उसके अंक गिरने लगे और स्कूल के प्राचार्य ने डॉक्टर से मिलने की सलाह दी। It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. Doctors confirmed that severe hearing loss caused by nerve damage. डॉक्टर ने बताया नसों की समस्याओं के कारण उसके सुनने की क्षमता कम हो गई। They were advised that they should be fitted with hearing aids and sent to the school for the deaf. Doctor advised hearing aids and special education. डॉक्टर ने हियरिंग एड और विशेष स्कूल की सलाह दी। Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. She felt hopeless after hearing this news. यह सुनकर उसे लगा सब कुछ अंधेरा हो गया हो। नमस्कार। But Evelyn was not going to give up. She decided to stay strong and continue. उसने हार न मानने का फैसला किया। Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. She felt hopeless after hearing this news. यह जानकर उसे लगा जैसे सब कुछ अंधेरा हो गया है। One day she noticed a girl playing xylophone and decided that she wanted to play it too. Watching another play girl play inspired her to learn the xylophone. एक लड़की ने xylophone बजाते हुए देखकर उसको भी सीखने का फैसला किया। Most of the teacher discouraged her. Percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. अधिकांश शिक्षकों ने उसे हथो उत्साहित किया, लेकिन रॉन फॉबर्स ने उसकी प्रतिभा को पहचाना। Many teachers doubted her, but Ron Forbes believed she had talent. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. He used two drums with different sounds to help her understand music. उन्होंने दो बड़े ड्रम अलग-अलग सुरों पर सेट किए ताकि वे अंतर समझ सके। Don't listen through your ears, he would say, try to sense it some other way. He advised her to feel music instead of hearing it. उन्होंने कहा कि कानों से नहीं बल्कि किसी और तरीके से संगीत को महसूस करें। Suddenly I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from waist down. She discovered that different sounds could be felt in different body parts. उसे महसूस हुआ ऊंचे और नीचे सुर शरीर के अलग हिस्से में महसूस होते हैं। Forbes repeated the exercise and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of body. बार बार अभ्यास से वे शरीर के अलग हिस्सों से सुर पहचानने लगी। Repeated practice helped her identify sounds through vibration. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound and vibration. She trained herself to feel music deeply through her body. उसके उसने अपने मन और शरीर को ध्वनि और कंपन के लिए खोलना सीख लिया। The rest was sheer determination and hard work. Success came from a strong determination and continuous practice. उसने अपनी मेहनत जो रिजल्ट आया वो सब उसकी मेहनत का परिणाम था। She never looked back from the point onwards. She toured the United Kingdom with a youth orchestra, and by the time she was 16 and she had decided to make music her life. After that, she moved forward confidently and decided to make music her career. उसके बाद उसने पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखा। 16 साल की उम्र तक संगीत को अपना जीवन बना लिया। He gradually moved from orchestral work to solo performance, यानी धीरे धीरे उसने ऑर्केस्ट्रा से सोलो परफॉर्मेंस की ओर कदम बढ़ाया. Slowly she began performing alone instead of in groups. At the end of 3 year course, she had captured most of the top awards. She won many major awards during her training. 3 साल कोर्स के अंत तक उसने कई बड़े पुरस्कार जीत लिए. And for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. If you work hard, know where you are going, you will get there. She believes success comes from hard work, not heroism. वह मानती है कि सफलता मेहनत और स्पष्ट लक्ष्य से मिलती है, ना कि चमत्कार से. And she got right to the top, world most sought after multi percussionist with a mastery of some thousand instruments and hectic international schedule. She became a world famous musician known for many instruments. वह दुनिया की सबसे प्रसिद्ध मल्टी परकशनिस्ट बन गई और हजारों वाद्य बजानों में माहिर हो गई. It is intriguing to watch Evelyn function so effortlessly without hearing. People found it amazing that she worked so naturally without hearing. लोगों को ये देखकर आश्चर्य होता था कि वे बिना सुने भी इतनी सहजता से काम करती है. It is not just watching the lips, it is the whole face, especially the eyes. She read the expression and eye movements to understand the speech. वह सिर्फ होठ से नहीं बल्कि पूरा चेहरा खासकर आंखें देखकर समझती थी. She speak flawlessly with a Scottish lilt, and my speech is clear because I could hear it till I was 11, she says. Her early hearing helped her speak clearly. 11 साल तक सुन पाने के कारण उसकी बोलने की शैली स्पष्ट थी. But that doesn't explain how she managed to learn French and master basic Japanese. Her ability to learn languages surprised everyone. फ्रेंच और जापानी सीखना उसके लिए उसकी असाधारण क्षमता को दिखाता है. As for the music, she explained, she pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even in my hair. She felt music vibration throughout her whole body. वह संगीत की कंपन अपने पूरे शरीर, त्वचा और बालों तक महसूस करती है. When she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. Vibration travel through the instrument to her hands. Xylophone बजाते समय कंपन उसकी उंगलियों तक पहुंचती थी. By the leaning against the drum, she can feel that resonance flowing into her body. She felt deep sound by touching the drums. Drum से stick कर वह उसकी गूंज को अपने शरीर में महसूस करती थी. On a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that vibration pass through her bare feet and up the legs. Bare feet help her feel vibration more clearly. लकड़ी के मंच पर वह जूते उतार देती थी ताकि कंपन पैरों से महसूस हो सके. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audience. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society prestigious Soloist of the Year award. उसकी परिस्थितियों ने दर्शकों को प्रभावित किया और उसे प्रतिष्ठित पुरस्कार मिले. Her performance were highly appreciated and she received a major award. Says master percussionist James Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. Experts believed that she had gained a unique ability despite hearing loss. विशेषज्ञ मानते थे कि उस सुनने की शक्ति खोकर भी उसे एक विशेष क्षमता मिली. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. I have just got to work, often harder than the classical musicians. She admitted that she worked extremely hard to succeed. वह मानती थी सफलता के लिए उसे बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत करनी पड़ी. But the rewards are enormous. Apart from regular concert, Evelyn also gave free concerts in the prison and hospitals. मेहनत के अच्छे परिणाम मिले और वह जेल व अस्पताल में मुफ्त कार्यक्रम भी करती थी. She felt her work hard was rewarding and also performed for social cause. She also gave high priority to classes for young musicians. वह युवा संगीतकारों को सिखाने के लिए भी बहुत महत्व देती थी. She liked teaching and guiding young learners. Anne Richlin of Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says she is signing inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they cannot go. एन रिचलिन का जिक्र है जो बेथोवन फंड नाम की एक संस्था से जुड़ी है. यह संस्था संगीत और विशेष रूप से बहरे बच्चों की सहायता से संबंधित है. डेफ चिल्ड्रन फेल्ट इंस्पायर्ड बाय हर सक्सेस एंड कॉन्फिडेंस. बहरे बच्चों के लिए वह प्रेरणा बनी और उन्होंने सीखा कि वे कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than the most people twice her age. She had achieved great success and recognition at a very young age. कम उम्र में उसने बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धियां और सफलता हासिल कर ली थी. Evelyn Glennie's journey teaches us that determination, hard work, and passion can overcome any challenge. Her life inspires us to believe in ourselves, keep moving forward despite difficulties. एवलिन की कहानी हमें सिखाती है कि दृढ़ निश्चय, मेहनत और जुनून से हर मुश्किल को पार किया जा सकता है. आज के वीडियो में इतना ही. ओके, थैंक यू.